Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel, and today I have a new video for you. Y'all gonna be so excited because today I am bringing back Bougie on a Budget series. If you are into saving a coin and luxury goods, then you are in the right place. Stay tuned. So can y'all see all around me? I am surrounded by luxury and I am super excited to jump into the details for this video. But before I do, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you don't already know, my name is Crystal Chanel and I am your resource for everything fitness, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, entrepreneurship, just all that curvy girl realness, plus size realness. Like, I am your girl. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're an existing diva doll, then hey boo, hey, welcome back. But y'all, I'm just gonna waste no time, okay? Like, I have really been leveling up my life. This past year, I've got married, moved into a new house. Like, I'm super excited to really jump in and start decorating. So I'm saying all that just to say I care about how I spend my coins now, okay? So if you know, you know. And I understand this video isn't for everybody. Some people don't really care about sales and saving money. And if they got it, they just throw it and all of that. But that's not what we're doing over here, okay? Baby girl's trying to get her basement finished. I'm trying to get a new car. I got goals, right? So anyways, I'm saying all that just to say that everything I'll talk about today is good for me. And if you are like me and you like to look good for the low, then you need to keep watching because I'm about to show you what's in these bags. Okay, so the first thing we're going to get into is this item. Everything did come straight in a box and it got here pretty fast. I'm going to say everything arrived to me in around 10 to 15 working days, and yeah, I didn't have any problems with shipping. All the girls right now are into Van Cleef, and I don't know, I just really love the simpleness. I know I have on like gaudy right now, but I'm really into like simple, dainty jewelry. First time opening everything, and I saved it this moment just to do this with you guys, okay? So I'm seeing everything come the first time. I'm loving this packaging. Like, that's one thing I am, is a sucker for packaging. And she is looking pretty good. Like, what? Did they get me? Okay, no. But anyways, I so far am like, wow, this looks really pretty. I can see this being a really good gift. Think about it. Christmas is around the corner. This is so pretty. This color, yes, it is gorgeous. Love it. It's giving you that pearl. Do you see it? Like that pearl? How detailed everything is. Hey, so I just got her on, and baby girl, she is looking good. How dainty that is. It's like saying a lot without having to say too much, you know? And I think it's timeless. It's really gorgeous. This is really pretty. In fact, I'm gonna just keep this on for the rest of the haul. Continue on with jewelry. I'm actually gonna show you guys something I've been searching high and low for. I'm excited for luxury items. Like, y'all, get into it. These particular earrings come in 2 sizes. I got the one that's the bigger of them because, you know, that's just how I roll. Why I wanted this particular item is because I sometimes don't want to have to wear a lot of jewelry. I just want to throw something on and go. These feel really good. Can you just hear? These are very weighty, so I love that about these. I love how they have that thickness to them, hollowed out right down there. There's not like one of those little ear hook things, which is actually a good thing, so that when you are putting them back and forth between being off and on, you don't have to worry about that little piece breaking off. So these are really pretty, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these on too. So I got them on, and y'all, these are beautiful. So far, I mean, again, I'm just now unboxing these items, so I don't know exactly how everything is going to wear, how the quality is, but from first impressions, as far as dealing with a private seller, I recommend that. You know, I like this seller because of their communication. I'll take pictures beforehand, make sure shipping is okay, answer any questions about anything. So you guys want to know, just let me know. Of course, I'm going to find you a coupon code, because if you know, you know. But again, make sure you follow me on TikTok. That way I can really show y'all what's up. Entertainment purposes only, educational purposes only. These earrings, because they're saying a lot without having to say too much. If you guys remember my previous video, you guys can check that out, of my other pair that I did unbox. I have a whole story time about the ordeal I went through with those. So I am excited to actually compare these black ones to those brown ones. Okay, so pick up what I'm laying down. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that this comes with. The dust bag here comes in the box. Ooh. I really wish I can get the 40.5. I wear a size 10 in women in US, and yeah, these are a 41, just like my previous pair. So I know that these do fit kind of narrow. Y'all, I'm in love with these boots. Look at these. These are so cute. And we are looking at these together at the same time. What y'all think? You love them? I know I absolutely love my brown ones, so I can only imagine how much more wear I can get out of these. Can you guys get in there? I can't really tell if you can see. And it looks like the bottom has that same little insole, like that cushion, as my previous ones. But yeah, tell me what y'all think. These are cute. And these little rings here. I really want to be a resource, so hopefully you guys are finding these videos to be helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you are. I don't know. I'm thinking this is a good come up, okay? So yeah, we have the Bougie on a budget. The reason I adore these is because you can dress them up, like with the outfit I have on now. I have on black leggings, I have on this top, and I can throw these boots on and be good. You can wear them with sweatpants, you can wear them with tights and like a skirt. You can really go any way with these. Of course, jeans, like I absolutely love these boots. You can wear them year round, and I had to have them in black. That's like a staple color. So yeah, tell me what you guys think of these. And last but not least, we have Big Daddy over here. Long story short, I'm loving black. So this is how everything came. And this is what we have inside. So she's cute. Yes. Y'all, oh my gosh. Y'all, this is my first bag like this, and I'm so excited. Look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the hardware. Get it? It's that black on black on black. If you know, you know. Let me put the other piece on. It smells good. Still have so much, like this comes packaged pretty well, so I'm really excited about that because my private seller is across the pond. Okay, so this bag is a pretty good size to where you should be able to get a lot in here. She gonna hold a lot. This girl, she got all this space in here. She got a zipper in here. The material is nice. So Definitely serving colder months. You know, I could put her on with a puffy jacket, leather jacket. She's soft. Y'all are not ready. I'm about to go ahead and throw her on. But yeah, I'm telling you, you guys, you do not have to spend a lot to look good, to feel good. We got goals. If you don't want to spend $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 on a bag, it's okay. Find yourself a private seller and do what you have to do, okay? Yeah. This is a yes for me. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. I will definitely get you guys any info. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I do have a TikTok, which is at Chrissy the Doll. Now, that's going to have all of the information, okay? And if you know, you know. So I'm going to have all the information on my TikTok. You can also find me on Instagram, which is at Chrissy the Doll _official. I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging, okay? So again, I am really into this. I love being a resource for you dolls for everything fashion, beauty, saving money, all that good stuff. So I wanna say thank you so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce. Bye.